In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your TradingView subscription on PayPal. If you're considering ending your subscription, perhaps it's because you're moving on to a new platform, or maybe you're just looking to cut down on monthly expenses. Whatever your reason may be, I'm here to guide you through the process in a straightforward, hassle-free manner. Let's begin by visiting the TradingView website. So, open up your browser and head over to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to be logged into your TradingView account to make any changes to your subscription. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to your profile. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Settings and Billing option. This area is essentially your control center for managing all account-related matters, including subscription details, billing methods, and more. Now that you're in the Settings and Billing section, focus on locating the Subscription tab. It's here that you can review all the information related to your current plan. Pay particular attention to the information displayed as it outlines your current subscription package and renewal details. Within the Subscription section, you'll notice an option to cancel your subscription. Clicking this option will begin the cancellation process. TradingView may ask for a reason for your cancellation or offer an incentive to stay, but you can choose to proceed with your decision if you're sure about cancelling. After you've cancelled the subscription from TradingView's end, it's a good practice to ensure your PayPal account doesn't continue to process future payments. Log into your PayPal account and head to the Settings section. Once there, locate the Payments tab and select Manage Pre-Approved Payments. This is where you can see a list of all active subscriptions linked to your PayPal account. Look for the TradingView subscription, and if it's still listed, select it to view details. You should find an option to cancel the subscription on PayPal as well. Confirming this will ensure no future payments are made to TradingView from your account, completing your subscription cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through cancelling your TradingView subscription with PayPal. If you ever decide to resubscribe or try out a different platform, you'll know exactly how to manage your subscriptions. I hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to content.